Another very interesting car, 2015 Bentley Flying Spur V8. It's got 24,790 miles, black with a tan interior, and the price, guess what? It's $65,980. So this car when new was around $200,000. I don't know if I'm correct, but then it's about that. $65,980. So it's a bargain. It's got only 25,000 miles, so and this car is like looks very nice. Nothing is wrong. It's a mint condition. It's got the luxury amenities, bells and whistles. It's got the power, all-wheel drive. There's some room. So if you want anything that you want to stand out with a very little money, this car is it. Look at it. This car still looks pretty decent. I think so. I'll drive it. But the price, it's like 1/4 of the price, original price. So this is the car that depreciates a lot. But does it depreciate because it's lesser value or lesser car? It's not. I don't think so. Let me see if I can show you the interior. Oh, it's got the mesh, so I can't actually see the interior. So let me see if I can do this. Anyways, it's a very nice car and a very nicely priced car. So let me know if you're interested.